Good guys, it's your mighty Aries Tao from Sydney, Australia. So today we are going to talk about how to mimic this beautiful natural lights. In a sense, it could be a big window light or it could be a tunnel light. Yeah? For the last couple of years, the natural light look even in studio becomes more and more popular. So I thought I would just take one or two couple episodes to address this. The key of mimic natural light is, especially in a cloudy day, is that there is no hot spot. The light is so soft and even, and most of the time it's a larger light source. Okay, light needs to be soft and it's a larger light source. So what we're trying to do is that, as you see here, I have two AD400 at 65 centimeter softbox. It's beautiful light, it's beautiful softbox, but if you imagine the size of the softbox is to mimic the size of the window, then 65 centimeters is probably not big enough. What it does is that the light is going to hit the wall, yeah, to create a larger light source, because its reflection, the light is going to be further diffused and soft. Yeah. So let me just show you. Rather than shoot the background, let's look at the light source, shall we? Here's a few tricks how to set up this light. I put it up and high, so when it hits the wall, it almost like a larger window. The light is coming from a slight, let's say 45 degrees from top down here. Let me do a testing shot. If you guys want a beautiful soft window lights for this kind of editorial look, or even fashion look, natural light fashion look, that'll be it. All right, let's bring our beautiful model Lucy and let's give it a go, shall we? All right, this is our beautiful model Lucy Blay.
Hi, I'm Lucy Blay. You can find me on Instagram at Lucy Blay.
Awesome, let's get started. Lucy is, it's similar heights with as me, and it's even higher. So I'm just trying to adjust the light's height. It's almost like my window light's height to work with her. Yeah. I think for this one, this is as much as I can go. I think the same height. Wait. Just lower this a bit so we can have an even light. Guys, if you look at the reflection in her eyes, it's almost saying that it's mimicked the window lights, which is great. All right, let's give it a go. All right, beautiful. I'm going to show you how to reduce the contrast by adding few lights. Yeah, I'm going to add two AD400 with 65 centimeters softbox as few lights, and then I'm going to create a pocket of sun with this fantastic S30 right behind me. Yeah, let me show you how we do it. Let's see adding the lights, shall we? And here, you instantly notice that it's being shaped into a circle. And then we can add in color gel and to make that into a red color. Yeah. And then I showed you guys how to create different light patterns with this gobo, guys. So you can put it over there. See? And you have about, I think come with a package, you have about 6. You can create different patterns. Some of the patterns are designed to be sharp, to works really well with sharpness. Some of this pattern works really well if you blur them a bit. Yeah, if you blur them a bit, it will be more interesting. Yeah. So I showed you guys after that how to use bomb door to cut on the size, yeah, to make the size irregular. That would be nice. Alright guys, if you look at this 85mm lens actually works with this S30, you'll notice that we can have a very defined edge, right? It's like projector. But by changing the focal length, you can have this less defined edge, which is more natural. It's almost mimic the the light shooting through those window curtain of my grandmother's house. Very nice and antique look. Yeah, so you can change the shape or almost like no shape at all, which in some scenario will work really well. So you can do it around. Yeah. So guys, we can have a very defined edge, like easily. But if you guys want to, we can have a less defined edge, like naturally blurred by the window slides, right? It's more to develop a more realistic look in the life. Beautiful. Can you point your toe point your toe towards your left a bit? Point your toe towards your left a bit. Yeah. And the face come back. Yeah, beautiful.